Did you ever had situation like this where your electrical socket is completely burned out? This happened the other day, and now I will show you how to completely change this socket. Because there's still some electrical power in this cable right there, not some, but the main power is in this cable right here. We will have to disconnect the circuit breaker for this outlet, but because we don't know which one is for this outlet, as usual, we will turn every single one of them off. And bang. It's a little bit dark now, but we will work our way through it. First, let's remove this outlet cover. Okay, let's take a closer look. Now we will remove these wires from old outlet. The black one is a plus, blue is a minus, and this one in the middle is grounding. Even though the power is turned off, I do not like to touch these wires with my bare hands. I will just change this old socket heart, let's say it like that, where the connectors are, because I think this one connector, if you can see it, is pretty damaged. That is what is causing this disconnection in the power. So basically right here I have a brand new connector, and let's just see if I can put it here inside. It looks like it can fit. I just put the wires where we can. Make sure it's tight so it won't fall out. These wires are around 35 years old, so you can imagine that they are already pretty hardened, but they are still doing their job, which is to transfer electricity through them. Shit. This one is giving me a hard time here in the middle. Cool. Yes, now it's in. I have all three wires, minus, grounding and plus, connected to the new socket heart. Let's try to fit this now here first. First the wires here. Ah, shit. Yeah, you have to wiggle it a little bit, fight with it. It is not easy. Now I will use this old screw to put it right in there where it was on the old one. Nice. Originally I was planning to change the complete socket, but as you can see right here, this is the new socket housing, and the old socket housing we have screws there and there. And on the new socket housing, it's here and here. So basically, I would have to drill two new holes in these tiles right there and there where I don't have them at the moment. That is the main reason why I left this old socket housing. The only problem is that, old socket housing doesn't look very nice with this black hole. And this new cover, these screws, as you can see, they basically cannot fit anywhere here. Not very nice, right? That's why we will use old socket cover, try to clean it up a little bit and leave it like that until we find this socket housing with the same spacing and the same position of these holes, so we don't have to drill new holes in the tile, possibly break a tile, change the tiles, and so on. There you have it, guys. This was the easiest way to change this burned out outlet. Actually, we just changed the inner circle, the heart of it. To change the whole outlet, it's a little bit bigger project, so maybe that one we will do the next time. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.